In this video, let's talk about what kind of the Ford wheel spacers are best for your F150.
Ford F150 wheel spacers have two types, one with Hub Centric and one without Hub Centric. Installing the Ford F150 Hub Centric wheel spacers can provide high stability. BONOSS Ford wheel spacers have a multi-stage Hub Centric design. This design allows the spacers to be more fit on the wheel hub assembly and wheels, thereby reducing high-speed vehicle vibration. Compared with common, the multi-stage Hub-centric design of BONOSS makes the installation more fitting and safer. And the BONOSS Ford F150 wheel spacers can also be wheel adapted with different data, providing vehicle owners with more choice. Ford F150 Hub-centric wheel spacers can eliminate the possibility of shaking, caused by a wheel position that is not centered with the brake rotor. Professional wheel spacers manufacturers and auto parts reviewers prefer Hub-centric wheel spacers over lug-centric wheel spacers. Besides, BONOSS Ford F150 wheel spacers are all forged. The manufacturing process of forge makes the internal structure of the spacer denser and firmer. BONOSS FT cooling Ford wheel spacers are designed with heat dissipation grooves to make brake cooling better. Distribute in pedal shape. These grooves allow the external cold air to flow continuously inside the wheel spacer when it rotates. The air takes away the heat, so it achieves the purpose of aptly dissipating heat for the braking system. There are small notches that are distributed on the corner of Ford wheel spacers. These notches act as air collectors which tremendously enlarge the airflow, enhancing the heat dissipation effect and improving road safety. Meanwhile, the material used is aluminum alloy, and it has many outstanding characteristics, such as high strength, wear resistant, excellent toughness, impact resistant, and high temperature resistant. This mount has good mechanical properties compared with industry standards. By contrast, BONOSS insists on producing professional Ford F150 wheel spacers, which are far higher than the industry safety and professional standards.
If you have any questions about the Ford wheel spacers, leave your comment. Thanks for watching and have a great day.